Come with me for an exclusive look inside the Bravadas salon, where we'll be talking to Tracy, the Director of Operations, as well as customers in the salon.
This salon is different than others that I have visited in that, for one thing, it's larger, has much larger selection, and the staff was so much friendlier.
Clean, it's open. I like the privacy in here. You're just not in a row of chairs getting taken care of.
The selection here is the largest that I've experienced, and I've been to a lot of places over the years.
Our staff is very knowledgeable. They're all licensed cosmetologists with extra training in wigs and hair extensions, coloring and styling. We're going to size the wig, we're going to cut it, we're going to thin it. We're going to make it look like them. If they don't feel like they can handle washing and styling themselves, we offer those services here. They can drop off their wig or hair extension to be serviced. We will wash it, condition it, revive it. So a lot of things that a lot of other salons don't do for people, we do here.
So this salon, compared to the others I've been in, is far superior as far as I'm concerned.
I've already referred several friends to the salon, and we're looking forward to actually coming together.
We invite you to Bravadas, where your style is our secret.